past my reflection, thinking about what you mentioned. It was supposed to be the one to take every last pain away. Nothing on our loving, maybe time told us that we were different. Didn't break you down.
Hey everyone, Aja here from Pandamonium. We're still at the Colorado River site. We've been here for a couple days. Yesterday it rained later in the day, so there wasn't much to do. It was sunny earlier, but the clouds have rolled in and I think it's going to rain again. We don't plan on staying here at this site again today. I believe we're going to go to Blythe to do some shopping, and then we're going to head to Quartzsite. Come here. Right, Moo-moo? Right? Who got the boogie eyes? Oh my goodness. Boogie eyes. Boogie, 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 boogie. Good girl. Go, go. So we're getting all packed up. I just have to put my portable set up that's charging my Yeti. And then we'll be ready to go. Dave already left. He had to go to Yuma, so it's just us. Wow, look how low the Colorado River is today. You think with all the rains that we just had yesterday that it would be a lot more water, but I think what happens is that at Parker Dam they closed it off, so that way there isn't no flash floods or flooding in areas. Yeah, it's really low today. Right, Moo-moo? She's like, where the heck did the water go? So we'll be headed out this way, and as you can see, some parts of the road are flooded. Come on, Moo-moo. Alright, it's time to go ahead and get on the road. The road coming in definitely is flooded out a bit, but luckily it's a gravel road, so it's not muddy, which is a good thing. Doesn't seem to be that awful bad. Oop, but it is bumpy, so I'll go slower. So it seems like there are still people up front. Not a lot of people, but there are a few. Last year I spent Christmas and New Year's there. We had an awesome time. There were about, well actually over 50 people there. It was really nice. It was kind of cramped and crunched in, but it was a wonderful time. Spending all that time with the people, conversating and getting to know one another and spending Christmas and New Year's together. Wow, look at the bales of cotton. This is the cotton fields to the right and the alfalfa to the left, which it seems like they've harvested it already. Usually they switch, so if they've grown alfalfa on that side, they'll grow cotton on it next. They just rotate the crops. Wow, those are some big bales of cotton. Look at the huge farm equipment. Those are huge. There's a huge puddle right here at the entrance. Ooh. storm clouds in the distance in the mountains. It's so beautiful. I believe we're gonna get more rain though, unfortunately. I'm sure they need it here in Arizona since it doesn't rain that much. I'm gonna stop here at Flying J's for, what are you doing? Come on, that's not a parking spot. Come on, Moo-moo, outside, good girl. Yes, go, go, go. I'm gonna let her go pee-pee before I go inside. Oh my god, look at all the trash. Wow. No, Moo-moo. Come on, come over here. Alright, good. Go back inside. Good girl. I'm gonna run in real quick before Terry and Scott get here. I'm waiting on them. I'm gonna grab me some lunch or something quick to eat. So I'm gonna have a banana since I'm eating so unhealthy. I got some fries. All their fries, any size, was $1. That was pretty cheap. And I got the Baconator. Mmm, so good. I forgot to mention that a subscriber gave me this card right here. And anytime I go to Wendy's, I get a free Frosty. So I'm gonna finish lunch and wait on Terry and Scott before I head into Blythe. Alright, I'm gonna get back on the road and meet Terry and Scott. I'm gonna clear this. Yes. I had to stop by the post office, so I'm just gonna meet them at the laundry mall, I guess. That road right there that turns into a dead end, it says, doesn't actually turn into a dead end, it just turns into a dirt road. And that's where the other BLM is that a lot of people stay. Just if you're wondering about that. We're crossing over 10 now. We're gonna head west, but I'm gonna go down into Ehrenberg real quick and meet Terry and Scott, and then we'll get on 10. Oh, there they are. I think they're ready to pull out, so I'll just get behind them. Pull in there real quick. Do, 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 do. I've pulled around and I'm going to follow them to Blythe. Is it clear? Clear. Alright. We're now crossing over the Colorado River. Welcome to California. Here's the state line. There is an inspection station here at the state line. I think they check for fruits and vegetables. That's usually what they ask if you have any. Sometimes they don't even stop you. They're just like, eh, go ahead. Like I said, most of the time they just wave you through. Unless you look suspicious, I guess. Alright, we're in California. We've taken exit 240, and this is 7th Street in Blythe. Albertson's right there on the right-hand side. That's where we're gonna go do some shopping, stock up. Much better food quality than Walmart. It's a shopping center here. It's just not Albertsons. Ugh. Oh my god, that kid just ran across the... Lord. It's kind of dangerous. Alright, I'm gonna grab some supplies. So I'll be back in just a moment. Hello, people! Scary!
I just leave burgers.
Not you are scary, but
He's always scaring me.
So what were y'all so scared of? Me coming around the corner or this big fluffy fuzzy thing on top of...
muff coming in our face.
Oh look, they have butter sculptures, Christmas trees. That's neat. What you getting, lady?
I gotta get some sandwich bags.
Dresses?
sold in a grocery store.
No, clothing.
Okay, they're kind of bizarre.
Oh my god, look what it says.
Love my tribe. I didn't even know that.
That's
but
awesome.
It's like
That's
it's like vinyl skirting.
I don't know. Well, maybe because it's Indian something.
Weird. I don't know. It's very. It doesn't.
Looks like
seem,
leather.
Oh, it's pleather. Maybe it's pleather. See, look, it's stretchy.
Yeah.
It's I don't know if that'd be so comfortable in
I
Arizona.
just like the saying on it. Girl, what do you have in your hand?
I got a jackfruit.
Looks like an armadillo.
It's called a jackfruit yellow. Ooh, it is.
Ooh, it does feel like an armadillo. It's really rough.
Yeah, it's heavy too. I mean, I don't know how much that thing weighs, but it's heavy. That's what it looks like inside.
Cool. So I've been walking around this store for like 30 minutes. I couldn't find anything because I already ate. But I did find an angel dog. Yum! Oops, well, we were in there quite a while and it ended up getting dark on us. So we're gonna go ahead and head to Quartzsite now. It's actually only 6 o'clock. Well, it's 6 o'clock here in California, but by the time we get over to Arizona, it'll be 7. And it's a bit late, but not that late. Our destination is only 23 miles away, so not too bad. I don't mind driving at night. I think it's a bit relaxing. Okay, guess they want to turn. Usually, you're turning, you let the person going straight go first, but they're kind of already in the lane. Alright.
Turn left onto South 7th Street, South C&D Boulevard.
Thanks, Bev.
To the ramp to I-10 East.
Thanks, Bev. We're getting back on 10 East and heading into Arizona. So we should be there in, say, about 20 minutes. Welcome back to Arizona. Alright, here we are, exit 17. Quartzsite.
In 800 feet, turn left onto I-10 Business Loop, US. 95 South. Turn left onto I-10 Business Loop, US. 95 South.
We are turning right onto West Main Street, and this is basically Quartzsite.
Continue on West Main Street for 1 mile.
1 mile. There's really not much in Quartzsite either. This is where the big tent sale is. There's a Dollar General here and a grocery store, but not a lot in the Love's gas station. Other than that, it's just restaurants and I don't know. Here it is, silly owls. It's usually really...
Destination is on the right.
Thank you, Bev, for interrupting. It's usually really busy, and yes, it is busy here. Oh, crap.
It's packed in here.
Yeah, it is packed. I'll let this person back out. Well, I found a spot, luckily. It's pretty dark here. Oh, it's somebody's birthday! Well, that's a cheap way to prop up the table. We have a big napkin under it. Yeah, I got a dinner salad. Oh, side salad. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Oh, you got the dinner. That's the dinner. That's huge. They're not that much different. Ooh, look at that. Thank you. Oh, those look yummy. Okay. Thank you so much. There's my lasagna. It's still bubbling. That looks so good.